The universe, vast, infinite, and mysterious. Scientists say it's expanding. But if the universe is already infinite, what could it possibly be expanding into? A question that teeters on the edge of human understanding. Imagine standing on a vast shoreline, watching waves stretch endlessly beyond the horizon. Now picture this on a cosmic scale. The observable universe, the part we can measure and study, is about 93 billion light-years in diameter, but beyond it lies an unobservable realm, possibly infinite in size. When scientists say the universe is expanding, they don't mean galaxies are physically growing. Instead, the space between them is stretching, causing galaxies to drift farther apart. This observation leads to profound questions about the nature of infinity itself. Infinity is a concept that defies intuition. If something is infinite, how can it grow? To understand this, we must delve into the nature of the universe. The expansion isn't about moving into an external void. Instead, it's like dots on the surface of a balloon. As the balloon inflates, the space between the dots increases, but there's no need for a surrounding space. In this analogy, the balloon represents our universe, finite but unbounded. But what if the universe isn't a balloon? What if it's truly infinite? An infinite universe doesn't expand into anything because it already encompasses everything. Expansion, in this case, refers to a change in the distances between objects within the infinite framework. Picture a grid stretching infinitely in all directions. If the grid doubles in size, every point on it moves farther apart, but the grid remains infinite. This challenges our perception of space and boundaries. Then there's the question of time. If the universe is expanding, does that mean it had a beginning? Observations like the cosmic microwave background radiation suggest that space-time originated in the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. Before that, it's not that there was nothing. Instead, time and space as we understand them didn't exist. This complicates the idea of expansion because it's not just space growing, it's space-time itself evolving. Some theories suggest our universe might be part of a larger multiverse. In this scenario, what lies beyond our universe could be entirely different realms with their own physical laws. Yet even this doesn't mean our universe expands into them. Instead, these realms exist in dimensions or spaces fundamentally disconnected from our own. Dark energy adds another layer to this puzzle. It's the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. While its exact nature remains unclear, it reshapes our understanding of infinity. If this acceleration continues indefinitely, the universe's observable portion will shrink as distant galaxies move beyond our ability to detect them. Paradoxically, while the universe expands, what we can see of it will decrease. The concept of infinity can also be reframed through mathematics. Infinite sets, for instance, can grow while remaining infinite. This idea aligns with the notion of an infinite universe that stretches and evolves without requiring an external boundary. It's a way of thinking that challenges conventional logic yet fits within the framework of modern cosmology. Ultimately, asking what the universe is expanding into might be the wrong question. Expansion doesn't imply an external space to grow into, but rather describes how the fabric of space-time itself changes. It's a phenomenon intrinsic to the universe's structure, one that reflects its dynamism and complexity. The universe invites us to rethink our place in it, to embrace concepts that stretch our imagination and defy our instincts. By exploring these questions, we gain not just answers but a deeper appreciation for the boundless wonder of existence. The universe is expanding, but not into anything. It's an expansion of understanding, a stretching of the limits of what we know. Perhaps the real question isn't what the universe is expanding into, but what lies within the infinite possibilities of its nature.